Aquarius, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 21st of November. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. The first card that I see is Queen of Pentacles, the Fool card, and the Three of Wands. Person B here has 10 of Wands, King of Pentacles, and Three of Cups. Now I have the King and the Queen of Pentacles here, which is a pair, okay, and the bottom of the deck I see Queen of Swords here, which means that there is something that both of you need to discuss. Maybe an honest conversation needs to happen between the two of you. Now from the first set of cards, you have the Queen of Pentacles, which means that you are doing really well for yourself. You are doing financially really good, and you may also be enjoying the luxuries of life. And that's something that a lot of people in and around you see that, and that could also be something that people want to get closer to you for. The second card for you is the Fool card, which is Aries energy. So it could be that you may be dealing with two people, and the Aries energy basically says that you want to go ahead and take a big leap of faith and do something that maybe you have not done in this particular relationship till now. So you want to take a big leap of faith and do something. The third card is Three of Wands. It could mean that there could be a situation where you will get stuck. You would want your ships to come in, so it might take some time, and in that meantime you will get stuck in that particular spot or in that particular situation, and you won't be able to march forward or take further action. Now person B here, they have 10 of Wands. 10 of Wands means that they are suppressed, exhausted, to an extent they are hurt, and it could mean heartbreak also. Now this could have happened because of a current situation that both of you are dealing with. The second card for them is King of Pentacles, which means that this person also is doing really well for themselves and they have their finances in place. And the third card here is the Three of Cups, which means third party situation for some of you. There could be a situation that this person is really doing so well that there are a lot of people who vie for their attention. Now with this, let's see what is the intention of this person here. The first card being the Hierophant, the King of Wands, and the Ace of Pentacles. Now Hierophant is Taurus energy, which means that it could be that you're dealing with a Taurus, or you might want to go ahead and talk about marriage commitment, because Taurus energy is stability, marriage commitment. The second card is King of Wands. Here it means that you are focused towards physical attraction, passion, sex. And the third one is Ace of Pentacles, which is a positive card here, because Ace means starting something new, and with Pentacles you want to start small and see how you want to build this relationship forward. Now let's go ahead and also see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle deck for all of you. So the message that I see here is work through your fears. Now if there is something in the past that happened and because of which you are scared, you're fearing something, then you need to face your fears. Only then you will be able to go ahead and march forward and take this relationship to the next level. Now with this, let's also go ahead and see what is the message we have from archangels and a crystal that can help you out in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Sugilite. The crystal message is: are you experiencing repetitive thoughts or incessant mind chatter? Do you grab onto a thought, memory, or life experience and chew it over and over and over again? It is time to let go and release situations from your past, whether it was 5 minutes ago, 5 years ago, or 5 years ago, and find inner peace and true happiness. Now with this, there's also a message here from Archangel Uriel, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box and you can read it from there. That's all that I see for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.